So you've laid everything out on the bed and your bag is already half full with the clothes alone. Toiletries, shoes, everything else hasn't even got in yet. So you check online. Every video online answers this with folding techniques. And you know what? I know because many of them are mine. I started this channel back in 2020 and I watched this problem play out so many times, over and over. And let me tell you, packing, it's not just about how you fold. It's about how many clothes that you're actually bringing as well. So let me go through the honest diagnosis with you here. First of all, start by fighting the count here. So instead of trying to cram in as much as possible, I'd say start by picking 5 tops along with 3 bottoms. Now make sure that all these go with each other like interchangeably. And you know what? You just created 15 very real outfits that you actually can wear from simply having 8 pieces of clothes. And that's comfortably going to cover you for a solid week with plenty of outfit choices, simply by being comfortable to rewear a couple of tops over again. I hope this goes without saying, but you should obviously also pack daily underwear and socks and anything of this type, right? So beyond this point, this is about a week's worth of packing, right? At this point, you have 2 choices. Either you can start washing on the road, and that's essentially going to grant you an endless wardrobe since you're just washing them once they get dirty. Or you can start adding more pieces that go with your current 8, right? This is obviously, or maybe not obviously, but it's going to exponentially increase your number of outfits. Since you, for example, have, so you said 5 and 3. So if you have, for example, another pair of pants, that one pair goes with all your 5 other tops. So that's going to create 5 more outfits options for you. On the other hand, if you have the 3 tops and you add one more, that's going to increase your outfit number by 3, right? Because that goes with all your other pants, if that makes sense. But at a certain point, washing just becomes better because, like, realistically, what's the point of having so many options at a certain point? You are out traveling here after all. You're not at home with your closet here. You don't really want to strap that whole thing onto your bag or like pull it along with you through the airport, right? So generally, I'd recommend for absolutely everybody to start doing laundry if your trip goes beyond 2 weeks. Now, for my students, or like I should say for myself, really, on a personal note, that is, I start doing laundry around day 4 to 5. And beyond this, I'd say also make sure that when you plan outfits, you want to check the weather as well as plan out what activities that you want to do during your trip so that you can be ready for, like, if you're going on a nice dinner, out on a nice dinner, you want to have clothes for that. If there are cold nights, you want to have enough warm clothes, right? Rain, etc. You want to be prepared for it if it should show up. But you can plan this by researching beforehand. So only at this point, now you have actually picked out everything that goes into your bag before you even have put anything in there, right? Now you start doing the space-saving folding. And notice here where this fix actually happened. It didn't happen at the folding stage. It was much earlier during the deciding stage. Before the suitcase would even open up, in my system that I teach, I literally teach folding at step 7 out of 10 here. And your fix for this problem came a lot earlier than that. So actually really quick, let me just tell you about my system here. So it's 10 steps, decisions first and folding later, obviously. So the volume problem is solved before you even bring out the suitcase. So really the folding and space saving stuff, it's just icing on the cake that allows you to bring whatever you actually need. So you can still pack small, feel luxurious about it and not restricted. You can check it out through the link in the video description right now if that sounds fun and interesting to you. So stop fighting the bag, fix the packing first. Anyway, I'm going to make more videos. I'm loving this. I have some free time, so it's a lot of fun for me to sit and just talk a little bit. It's so easy to make these videos as well. So more is coming. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.